Welcome. In this video, we will learn about Cumulative Layout Shift or CLS. It is one of the Google's core web vitals and directly affects both user experience and SEO. CLS measures the visual stability of a web page. It tells us how much the page layout shifts unexpectedly while users interact with it. If text, images, or buttons suddenly move while loading, users may click the wrong thing. This hurts usability, trust and conversion. Google's scoring system is like good. CLS score is under 0.1. Need improvement is of between 0.1 and 0.25, whereas poor is above 0.25. High CLS usually happens because of images or ads without fixed dimensions, slow loading fonts, elements injected dynamically into the page. To reduce CLS, always set width and height for images and ads. Also, use font display swap for web fonts. Reserve space for dynamic elements like banners or pop-ups. You can measure CLS using Google Page Speed Insight, Lighthouse, and Search Console Core Web Vital reports. CLS is part of Core Web Vitals, which are officially Google's ranking factor. A stable website layout not only helps user but also boosts SEO performance. To summarize, CLS measures how stable your website layout is. Keep your CLS score below 0.1 to ensure a smooth experience for users and better SEO. Thanks for watching. Check your site CLS today and fix unstable elements. A stable layout means happy users and better rankings. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.